Dave O'Hara, about Redlands Realty and Loan. I'm here at 1213 Clifton, and I'd like to thank Anthony Russo. He's the listing agent, and this is a really nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath house listed for $519. It's been on the market a few days, and I think people are missing a great opportunity. Let's go take a look. Nice quiet street, older neighborhood. 60s or so is when it was developed. This all used to be orange groves when I went to Smiley Elementary School, which is just a block down the street there. Let's walk on in. Hello, Realtor. Yeah, she's vacant, but you come on in the foyer here. Immediately a closet under the stairs, which is nice for storage. This would be the dining area and living room with a fireplace. Nice built-in mantle. Nice light coming in from the front window. Nice. Those are real hardwood floors. It's not Pergo. So nice pass through here. I like this countertop walkway bar type area for space in between the dining room and the kitchen. Kitchen looks to be remodeled. Nice appliances, nice stainless steel hood, double sink, and laundry area. Always nice to have laundry area inside the house as opposed to in the garage or some storage shed. Refrigerator nook. All right, a nice view out to the backyard, right? So we walk through here, and this is a nice little ad here. It's just a nice little display area and electrical. Handy. Awesome. You turn to the right. So the downstairs bathroom, quite large. Nice glass wall. I like that. Nice. It's opaque, but lets light in. And nice vanity, double sink. And looks like new mixer and shower. Nice seat, sit down on. And of course, a nice view of the backyard to the pool. All right, and then this leads into walk-in closet, which is always handy. I love having a little light come into the closet, a little natural light. Cuts down on electricity and definitely makes it lighter, more homey. And then this goes into what I would call the master for sure. It's the master with a exit to the backyard and to the garage there. Very roomy. We have 2 sets of lights, one with a ceiling fan and then with some directional track lighting. And then a desk area, which could be a study. I think I would make that into a nice little reading nook, have a built-in wraparound bench and nice cozy pillows. I think that'd be nice for sitting down and reading. But let's go see what's in the backyard. Ah, nice. Clean, private, nice tall back fence there. Awesome pool. Some nice well-grown plants as opposed to a new housing project, which I'm not a big fan of. Those, don't have the vegetation, which I really like. Makes it warm, cozy, homey. All right, let's go upstairs, take a look. HVAC unit's pretty new. We have more linen storage here. Bedroom number 2. I would say this is probably about 12 by 15. Nice deep closet here. You can put a nice closet organizer in that. But a nice view over there. You can see the mountains. All right. And let's run over and we'll take a look at bedroom 3. This looks to be a little bigger, maybe, gosh, 12 by 15-ish, maybe a little more. Another beautiful view. Yeah, it's beautiful out today. Double closets, and this one, the upstairs bathroom, this one has a door directly into the bathroom, as well one into the hallway. And I like this vanity. The vanity has nice barn doors. That's neat. And double shutter type mirrors. Full bathtub and shower. It's always nice sometimes to just take a sit bath, you know, sit down, relax. And very handy. You don't see enough of these, but this is a whole house fan. So maybe you don't have the air conditioner or heater on all day long, and you can come home. Let's say it's too hot, but it's nice, kind of nice outside. So you just open up a couple of windows, turn the whole house fan on, and it'll circulate all the air out of the house. We're replacing it with outside air, so it's same temperature as outside. It's just a fan, but it blows it up into the attic, blows the heat out of the attic as well, and cheap. So let's talk money for a minute. So, you know, $519, you put 5% down with principal, interest, tax, and insurance. There's no homeowner association fee here. That's going to be right around $2,800. Of course, it does depend on credit and all these other kinds of things. If you put more money down, it'd probably be a little bit better. But $2,800 for a $520,000 house, yeah, pretty good. So that's my quick tour. Appreciate it. Anthony, thanks for allowing me to take a tour through this. If anybody's interested, I'm certainly happy to be your buyer's agent. Dave O'Hara, About Redlands Realty and Loan. Take a look at us on our website, aboutredlandsrealty.com. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.